Alright, this is going to be a quick unboxing video of the Intenso Powerbank ST6600. This unit has a 6600 milliamp hour battery life, and I am planning to use it with my Sony a6300 camera. Because the original battery only has about 1050 or so milliamp hour battery life, so I thought instead of buying the original battery, I thought I'd instead invest in a USB separate battery like this one, which will have about 6 times more battery life. So anyway, let's get started with the unboxing itself. This is the front, side, well, back, the other side. Nothing special about the top or bottom. Let's see here. Okay, let's put that away. We have an well, instructions manual, I guess. Plastic cover. So this is the unit itself. It has some weight to it. There is a button to view how much battery life you have, which is indicated by these 4 LEDs. On one side you have the out port, which is standard USB. On the back side you have a micro USB, which is the input for charging it. And that's about it. Very sleek, almost rubbery-like, well, no, not rubber-like finish, but anyway, it's good grip. The challenge for me is to actually find a way to hook this up to the camera permanently somehow, some kind of setup. Anyway, continuing, we also have this short USB cable. Well, I guess that's it for the unboxing. Quick and not much to show. I will do a video later on which will show the battery life, for how much added battery life this unit can give my camera. So I look forward to that one.